I just wanted to give an update on the video that I put out last week on cleaning out the udders on the C5 Corvette. You'll see over there, I mean, we got a lot of rain last night. It's actually some flash floods in the area. So when I came out to the car this morning, just want to show you this. The floor is nice and dry. So that definitely seemed to have helped out the issue with the water on the carpet. Now, I just want to say that I always put these videos together just to help others with any of the same issues that I might come across. Now, when I first started cleaning out the rain ducts, I wasn't even intending to put it on YouTube, but then I was like, why not? You know, other people might have the same issue. You know, I went on the forums, I read all the stuff. Some guys even had some pictures showing what to do. So I myself, I'm a visual learner, so you know, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and I guess a video is worth 1,000 pictures. So I just want to put that out there to help anybody else that comes across the same issue. And then I also just wanted to say, Scott Fisher, I just want to thank you for leaving a comment. In that video, I missed the third rain duct on the driver's side. It's actually way in the back behind the two that I showed in that video. Here, I'll just walk around to the driver's side. So here we are on the driver's side again. I showed you the two that were right here, but the third one is like way in the back. It's very hard to get to. I have small enough arms. It's way back here. It's like underneath here. I was able to get to it with my hand and my arm. If you have bigger arms, you're probably gonna have to go in through your fender well here. You're just gonna have to undo a bunch of these bolts here, take that panel off, and then you should be able to reach up in there to get there. But again, just want to give a shout out to Scott. Thanks for that information. That one was actually probably the worst clogged one. Besides, that was the worst one clogged on the driver's side. I mean, the passenger side was pretty bad, but on the driver's side, that far back one was definitely the worst clogged one on the driver's side. Now, I also just want to say thank you for all the support. I passed 6 months on YouTube. I think it was either yesterday or the day before. I put my first video out. My first video was the 5 things that I love about a C5 Corvette. So if you haven't checked that video out for the new subscribers, please do. So as of today, let's see, I have 365 subscribers. So again, just want to say thank you. Today I also just passed 37,000 views. So by the time this goes up, I'll have over 37,000 views lifetime on my channel. I also passed over, I think I'm over 2,100 hours total view time. So I'm halfway to the YouTube new monetization guidelines. Obviously, I'm only at 365 subscribers, so I'm not quite halfway to 1,000 yet. But again, just wanted to say thank you to everybody. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below. Now, before I conclude this video, there's one other debate that needs to be resolved. The Corvette kid believes that his triple cheeseburgers from McDonald's are better than pork roll, egg, and cheese sandwiches. Now, I know New Jersey, pork roll, egg, and cheese sandwiches are mainly a New Jersey thing. They're a little bit in PA, a little bit in Delaware and Maryland, but it's mainly a New Jersey thing. So pork roll is basically a variation of ham. So it's ham, egg, and cheese. So I'm going to put a poll at the top of this video right now. Please vote for which sandwich you like better. I know one's a breakfast sandwich, one's more of a lunch or dinner sandwich. So please let me know which one you like better. So that's going to do it for today's video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you and have a great day.